A day in my life, strawberry girl edition. So I started my day off with getting my nails done. Y'all go check her out if you're local. It's Nails by Lise. And you guys know I'm a coffee addict, so I had to go stop at Starbucks real quick. Look how cute this little set came out, you guys. So cute. It's little fake chocolate covered strawberries. Well, they are chocolate covered strawberries, but they look like they're chocolate covered strawberries. You guys know what I mean? Yeah, you guys get it. But look at this avocado set, you guys. I don't know which one I like more, the other set or this one. And I used a little avocado pun on this one, so let me know if you guys can guess it before I do it. Every time I make a little set like this, I always be thinking like aguacates de Mexico. You guys know that little commercial, or what the fuck? I don't even remember where I get it from, but it's like always stuck in my head when I'm making these. But look, it says you're right for me. That's so cute. So after I did all that, I went to go pick up my little brother. Then I came back home and I did my voiceover and stuff. My sister actually edits my YouTube video. Shout out to her. And then we watch them on the big screen to make sure they're perfect to upload. That's the set that I posted on my YouTube channel. Go check it out. And I ended my day with doing one of these TikTok trends. Oh my gosh, I actually forgot about it, you guys. I'm gonna end up trying it today, but I'm so juiced to try it. Look how bomb this is. All right, bye.